my name is Weiquan. Today I'm going to have a presentation on chemistry. The name of the end of semester lab that we did in chemistry was called Identify an Unknown Substance. The name of my unknown substance was zinc, and the chemical formula is Zn. My partner were Kanye and Yuan. I learned to make observation and how to determine whether a substance is metal or non-metal. These skills impact my life because I can use this skill in college and in my future. In this lab, I learned to make observations and apply knowledge from past lessons to determine whether a substance is metal or non-metal. Because we observe the chemical and physical properties of our substance. Then I follow the green paper, use the properties and our chart to find the name of our substance. In our first experiment, I made our unknown substance with HNO3 and connect the gas, then burn the gas. It exploded, so we know the gas is hydrogen gas. In our second experiment, I reacted our substance with ammonia and acid to form a purple gas, so we could find the name of our substance is zinc. In this unit, we will have a good impact on me because I learned to make observations. Make observations is an important skill because it is useful in science class and I can use it in college. It also connects to the world around me because I will be more aware of my environment. I observed my 3 experiments and recorded the data so I could analyze the result. We need to record the data of experiment, so we need to make observation during experiment. If we do not record the data, we can't find the terms in the data or analyze the data. So we will not know what our result means. In my electrical conductivity lab, I connect graphite and copper to a live bulb, and we observe that the copper is shiny, have a high density and high melting point, and makes the light shine. The graphite is brittle, not ductile, and low density, and the light didn't shine, so we know copper is metal and graphite is non-metal. Determining metal and non-metal is useful, so I can use this skill in college and in my life. For example, in real world, when we are recycling metal, we need to determine metal and non-metal, so we can use electrical conductivity to find the metal. This connects to my thesis because I had to apply knowledge from this lab to my Identify an Unknown Substance lab. The skills I learned in chemistry this semester will help me in math because when we are working on a graph, we can observe the change of graph and then analyze the data, and we can find some points to figure out the equation of the graph. And the skills I learned in chemistry this semester will also help me in history, because we can observe the similarity and different things between history and right now. We can observe how science has changed history. In this semester, I learned many things that can help me in my life and my future. This unit had a big impact because I learned make observations and analyze data. It helped me when I'm doing experiments in college, and I learned how to determine metal and non-metal in the electron conductivity lab, which I applied to my identified and unknown substance. This can help me in college and the real world. Thank you.
Questions?
How you use skill to connect to your life and your future?
For example, in college, when we are taking a physical class, when we are doing experiment of free fall, like this one is because free fall, so we can make observation to see what happened, what this one changed.
Was your substance a metal or a non-metal?
It's a metal.
What were the trends that you observed in the lab?
What were the things that?
What were the trends that you observed in the lab?
Which lab? My identity and
Yeah.
identify and unknown substance. I observed that the physical and chemical property of my unknown substance is shiny, powder, and the color is gray, and it is high melting point. Any questions?
What were things that made you less certain about your results?
I know what that means. Can you
So like in your identify an unknown substance lab, what were things that would make you less confident that your results were correct?
we did the experiment more than 3 times, then we got the same results, so we can make sure our result is true.
Was there anything that made you not certain though?
Yeah, because during the experiment, the gas we connect didn't burn.
And then you talked about recycling metal, and you said you would test it for electrical conductivity. How would you do that before you recycle it?
I will use electrical conductivities lab to find the metal.
So everything that you put in the recycle bin now you're going to test?
Yeah, I can.
That's a lot of things. Okay. How would you explain your personality?
My personality. I am. You mean describe myself? I am. I'm a Chinese.
No.
I am tall. I am friendly. I am helpful.
And so what event or events in your life have helped make you who you are?
The event impact me today is I came to US because now I can talk to you guys.
And how has coming to the U.S. and your personality as a helpful person who can talk to all of us, how has that affected your learning this semester?
I can learn together with you. I can ask you questions and I can help you.
I think that is all the questions that I have. Does anyone else have more questions? Okay, thank you. Please take a pink sheet and go outside.